I'm attorney Biagri Lamar, one of the attorneys, myself, attorney Ben Crump, who represent the family of Joel Acevedo. We first want to thank everybody in the city of Milwaukee, all the many supporters that we've had, everyone who marched with this family, protested with this family, brought attention to this very tragic case that occurred back in April of 2020. So we decided after the announcement of the verdict to come back to where we, in essence, started from, the front of the courthouse, where many marches and protests began. I can tell you right now that there is a mix of emotions. Obviously, the family is disheartened by the verdict, but we respect the system. So this is, while very disappointing, we are thankful to the Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office for even prosecuting this officer. That is something that is very rare in itself, for an officer to have to stand before 12 to answer for his actions. So again, we are very thankful to the District Attorney's Office for prosecution. We're thankful for the jurors, we're thankful for the judge. This was a very orderly proceeding. It was very efficient, and the facts did come out. Obviously, there is a very heightened standard when we talk about conviction under Wisconsin statutes. So again, we are thankful for this process. I want to tell you that the fight is not over, though. This family, the attention, all the supporters, again, there is a lot that has come from this situation. Obviously, hopefully, this serves as a deterrent for other officers that you might have to stand before 12, as Michael Mattioli did in this case. We also have a civil proceeding that is still ongoing in a federal courthouse for what we believe to be the constitutional violations of Joel Acevedo. Again, the admissions that we have from this case is that there was an intoxicated officer who decided to exert force against Joel Acevedo, even at the time where, by his own admission, Joel wasn't moving. They were tired, by his own admission, yet he still applied force. So we believe that there are still several constitutional violations that are still at issue. So again, the fight will still continue. I will tell you that, this family, I just am very impressed by the courage that this family has. I mean, this is obviously a very trying situation. This family has been relentless in bringing attention to Joel Acevedo. So we're really thankful for their strength and the supporters who have stood behind this family for 3.5 years. I will also tell you that, they will speak and kind of tell you, just their feelings. But I will say that, we've got a lot, we've come a long way. And we would expect, and hopefully this case sets a precedent, that when an officer does something that is questionable to the family, to the community, to the city of Milwaukee, that they are at least prosecuted, and that we undergo a process as we just went through this week. So again, we thank you for all the coverage to this very tragic situation. And this family is happy that at least we are at a point of now getting closure. We will continue to move forward. They will definitely have more things planned to kind of keep Joel's names alive, so that no other family has to go through and endure what they did for the last 3.5 years.